In a quiet little house, a new adventure is about to begin. But wait, what's that smell? Could it be a giant piece of cheese? The chase is on, but it won't be easy.
A sleepy mouse is blocking the way. Can the cat sneak by?
Looks like the cat will have to dance around the mouse. Tiptoe, like a ninja.
Uh-oh, an army of ants blocks the way. Can the cat avoid stepping on the ants?
Oops, looks like the cat's sneeze just saved the day.
Almost there, just one last obstacle. A slippery snake appears. Can the cat outsmart it? It's a showdown, cat versus snake.
And the snake has been defeated.
It's time for the final leap, straight to the cheese.